Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create faceless video using Kapwing. Faceless videos are a popular trend on social media. They allow creators to share content without showing their face. In order to do that, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down kapwing.com and enter it. Over here, you can simply start editing with a new project, or you can also select one of this old project from the draft here. Click onto this. And over here, what you can do is you can also upload your footage or images that do not show your face by clicking onto this upload media here and drag and drop. And you can also use the screen recording for your tutorials or software walkthrough. You can select to this text on the left hand side, add your codes, script. You can also customize your fonts with it. You can use the animated text as well. Over here under this audio, you can record your voice as well, upload or record voiceover, and you can also crop or resize it. And you can also select to this fit, zoom in, zoom out. And after you're done with your editing, you can export in the top right. And that is it. This is how you can create faceless video using Kapwing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.